In this exercise, we'll find all the numbers for which a rational expression is not defined. And the expression that we're working with is x minus 7 over x squared minus 49. Now, this expression is not defined when the denominator is equal to 0. So we need to find the values of x for which the denominator, x squared minus 49, is equal to 0. So we'll be solving this equation. We can factor on the left-hand side. We have x plus 7 times x minus 7, and that's equal to 0. And now we can use the principle of zero products. If this product is equal to 0, then x plus 7 is equal to 0, or x minus 7 is equal to 0. Solving this first equation, I'll subtract 7 on both sides, and I'll get x equals negative 7. And adding 7 on both sides of this equation, I get x equals 7. So we can say that the rational expression is not defined for the numbers negative 7 and 7.